y ahora, welcome to the best 3 teams. Bienvenidos a los 3 mejores equipos. Our final speech of Greenland Federation President Jørgen Olsen, Jørgen Elne Olsen, Damassa.
First of all, a warm congratulations for the qualifying teams. Remember, we will join you from North. You will represent us in World Cup. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the rest of the teams, for the good tournament here. You show us the best handball we had seen here in Greenland. I would like to thank IHF for giving us this possibility to take a tournament here in Greenland. Many warm thank you for the delegates, and a warm thank you, Mario. It's had been a pleasure to meet you. Sorry, Marco. And without a steering committee, it's not possible to take a tournament like this, standing and going here. So I would like to thank the steering committee for planning the tournament as the host also. And many thank you for Nuuk, our mayor, as she came now, for hosting this tournament. Ilisilo, isiinnaartut. Qoinaaruussuaq ulluni amerlasuuni ullut qulingiluingerlanaanni isiinnaariartaassi unnui tamaasa ulikkaavilluta maani nuannaaqatiisarpat. Noriuppunga tikaartitta qanoq inuit ataqatigiinerput maluisimassagaat tussami isumaarpa maani unnui tamaasa ataatsimortorsuullusi nuannaartorsuullusi takutitsigaangassi kikkuugaluaraangan taluunniit tamanna kissalaarnermik takutitsiuartuusoq. Soorluamaanarmi oqalugiateqarninnaama ersersinniariga maannunatsinni inuiavugut inuikialaartut qanilaartut tamannalu amma peqataasut tamarmik saafiinissuteqartarnermikkut oqaluttuartarnermikkut uutsinnuersersippaat tamanna maluitissimaissi quanaruussuaq unammersuarna imatuittoq aningaasaliinertaqaani ingerlannerarsinnaangilaq tamaammat aningaasaliisugut pingaarnertu aningaasaliisugut kumuneqarsernersoq ammalu ISG timersoqatiit kattuffiat namminersornerusut tamammik quasutеқарфиерусуппакка аммалу аningaasaliissутеқартут тамавиммик quanaaruussuaq unammersuarneru puumaingerlanneqarnaani peqataatikkatsigut ammalu taama annertutiisumi ingerlatsinitsinni tulluusimaartillutalu peqataasinnaagatta nunarsuarmi arsartartut assami arsartartut pitsaanerilaanni allaa takusartarta soonalimi unammersuarneru puuma pingerlanneqarnaana am siunertaqarpugut timers assammik arsartartut kattuffianni soonami siunertaunao amerlanerus sunik tunulliaqutaqalorsukkatta amma inerisaaneq annertusaaviorusukkatsigu tamaammat neriuppunga imatut suliamik annertuumik ingerlatsernernet kingorna amma soqutiinninneq annertusissasoq pingaartumik illoqarfinni ataasiakkaani meeqqat sullinneri annertusaaviorusukkatsii tamanna tungaveqassasoq аммал тунулиақутсииллуассасо нериуппунга наххатаамик quanaaruussuaq алаяаллуси маанга исииннариартарасси нериуппунга такоққиккумаарлута унгасингитсуми
Muchas gracias para Annie. Y ahora, from IHF, Marco, bienvenidos aquí.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the International Federation President, Dr. Arsan Mustafa, good evening. We arrived at the final stage of this 2018 Pan American Championship. When we arrived here, it was really cold. But we found a very warmly hospitality, excellent cooperation, full availabilities, friendship and relationship. With the support of Greenland Federation, of all the people and all the volunteers, the event has been a success. We will never forget exciting matches and great atmosphere in this arena for the upcoming days. Thank you, people of Nuuk. Thank you, City of Nuuk. Thanks, Greenland. Good luck and all the best for your future. Thank you again.
And now we start with our awarding ceremony. Y ahora comenzamos con la ceremonia de premios. Deseo Third place, bronze medalist team. First, ladies and gentlemen. Third place and bronze medalist team of the 18th Men's Pan American Handball Championship is Chile. Il tercer medaglia di bronzo del 18º Campionato Masculino Panamericano den palmarès es para Chile. The medals will be presented by Mayor of Kommunegrafik Sommersor, así Kemnet Narup. Las medallas son entrenadas por alcaldesa de Kommunegrafik Sommersor, la señora así Kemnet Narup.
Thank you very much. Thank you
President Mr. Jørgen Olsen. El trofeo es entregado por el presidente de la Federación Grønlandesa del Palmón, el señor Jørgen Olsen. Ladies and gentlemen, second place and silver medalist team of 18th Men's Pan American Handball Championship is Brazil. Semioctavo Campeonato Masculino Panamericano de Balman es para Brasil. The medals will be presented by Mr. Jørgen Olsen. And the mayor. The mayor of Kommune Raffiksum og Sop, at sige Kemnets navn. Parabéns para vocês. First place and gold medalist team is Argentina. Presented by Elni and from ASAF, event delegate Marco Dose Brande. The cup is awarded by Mayor of the city, Acknowledgements now, and 8HF event delegate Marco Joseph Grande. Ladies and gentlemen, we proceed with awarding of the best players. All-Star Team awarding of the 18th Men's Pan American Handball Championship. The best goalkeeper of the 18th Men's Pan American Handball Championship is Isak Olsen! Awarded by Mr. Theodora and Windmill, Argentina. best left wing of the 18th Men's Pan American Handball Championship is Fernandez Federico, Argentina. And the trophy will be awarded by Mr. Angel Orders Meseso. The best left back of the 18th Pan American Men's Handball Championship is Petros Thiagos, Brazil! And the trophy will be awarded by Mr. Ocelo de Melo. The best center back, Simule Sebastian, Argentina. And the trophy will be awarded by Mrs. Patricia Maria Malik Chara. The best right back of the 18th Men's Pan American Handball Championship is Toledo Jose, Brazil. And the trophy will be awarded by Mr. Ronaldo Ferris, Uruguay. The best right wing, Tiofa Fabio, Brazil. And the trophy will be awarded by Mr. Ocelo de Melo, Brazil. The best pivot, Salinas Esteban, Chile. And the trophy will be awarded by Mr. Ronaldo Ferris, Uruguay. The top score of the 18 Men's Pan American Handball Championship is Fabio Tiofa, Brazil. And the the trophy will be awarded by Patricia Maria Malik Jara. The most valuable player of the 18 Men's Pan American Handball Championship is Teixeira Henrique, Brazil. And the trophy will be awarded by Mr. Teodoro at Yemen, Argentina.
Bueno, suort tamari suda amur keratna radio de TV jigut radio jitu atlegat namasuot musang wa bueno suort when you no so on me dis ma dit paratisen jitu music we nachto suput
Ota ko
tamari suda uot mani no simi Amerika pnevitani pisartangorni unner namasilluuna unaarutiarput Kalaallit ataatsimorluarnerput takutikkassiuk peqataafialugu nuannertoriussuoq Qoyamasunnartoriussuulluni qoanaruussuaq ajunginniarasilu